To relieve every business, organization, and individual on the enormous burden brought by BIR audit investigation, the conceptualization of a tax-based accounting system evolved to take care of bookkeeping and accounting needs of every company or individual, especially the preparation of monthly, quarterly, and annual tax compliance and periodic management reporting for business appraisal and planning purposes. In most cases, the root of taxpayers' problem were due to insufficient or lack of proper compliance with the bookkeeping requirements, late or non-filing of tax returns, miscalculation of taxes due to government, and improper application of tax rules and regulations. To provide powerful tool that will help taxpayers and tax authorities extinguish their legal obligation, we look for partners that have functional and technical expertise in programming, and we join hands together in conceptualization and conversion of traditional manual bookkeeping and accounting practice into a computerized accounting system with application of tax rules and regulation. We named it eTaxPoint. eTaxPoint was first developed in February 2009 with the aim to provide reports generated from the company sales transactions, collections, expenditure for better management direction, and to cut short a long process of documentation and evaluation of voluminous data that are needed for accurate reporting. It was first introduced in the market in November 2009 and has been used by our clients engaged in trading, services, and manufacturing. With our pilot clients, we had able to continuously improve our system, and as of today, eTaxPoint have various versions specifically designed to address tax and accounting needs for every nature of business. eTaxPoint offers stages as the proper recognition of sales and expenses to help the company pay only what is rightfully due at the time of reporting. Under taxation, even the taxpayers have faithfully declared all sales and expenses, but wrongfully recorded transactions, it will create tax implication. Maintaining good records requires skills and accuracy of documentation in order to provide reliable information to management and above all, compliance with the rules and regulations of the Philippine tax laws. That's what eTaxPoint do. Selecting a service provider to entrust accounting, taxation, financial, and business needs is a very important factor that requires great care and consideration. Rapid economic changes and increases in competitive pressures magnify the significance of the decision, as every business, organization, and individual must make the very most of their valuable resources. Our functional and technical expertise, coupled with extensive taxation knowledge and know-how, makes us the ideal choice for automated solutions that resolve tax and accounting difficulties. SSTC is focused on developing software solutions for taxpayers to pay accurate taxes and for the government to collect the right amount of taxes. SSTC aims to make it easy for taxpayers and the government to work hand in hand to promote social responsibility and good governance for a more progressive Philippines. At SSTC, we are continually expanding our knowledge and services in assisting our clients to successfully implement eTaxPoint all throughout the Philippines. SSTC is committed in providing widest range of services and software solutions for your business. We provide software solutions to convert your manual activities to become more efficient in your reporting. One of the main reasons for our prominence in our field is our dedication to software development that serve as powerful tools to make compliance much easier. The simple design and friendly user concept, we are able to help our customers reduce their cost associated in the implementation process of the system. SSTC is equipped with all necessary services and solutions which will help our clients in making their business a success. We understand that in today's world of extreme competition, there is a need for enterprise owner to bring out cost-effective solutions which will neither affect the enterprise nor the customers. Therefore, we do our best to provide them the solutions which will help them achieve their goals with less financial commitment. Our products and services are designed for complete automation, and SSTC believes in solidarity and commitments. We complete our targets well within time. We provide services in latest technology also. We are confident that with our tailored methodologies and focused approach for building accurate solutions, we shall become the right choice of every organization, whether nascent, emerging, or graphically top position. Freedom is not freedom from responsibility, but freedom is with responsibility. We strive to develop comprehensive tax compliance and business solutions that fit within the budget of every business. Our solutions are directed towards increase in efficiencies and performance in work. All you need to do is say yes to your tax obligation for better Philippines. Taxpayers help our nations by paying the right taxes. Tax authorities build our nation by collect the right taxes. eTax Point is our common tool to achieve our goals. So, doing our obligation with highest integrity is serving God and nation. Thank you.